All right, have you ever had this problem? Take a new quad, go to take off, and give it throttle, and it just won't take off. You can see here I had that throttle up, and it just kind of lost control and wouldn't take off. Or another way it presents itself is you do your checks, like that, and then even worse. Or if you are quick with it, you can get it to pop up, and then it will just kind of wobble and settle back down no matter how high you put that throttle. Well, if you've ever had that issue, this is the video for you. I'm going to talk about what setting it is in the ESC firmware that you would need to adjust to alleviate that issue. We're going to talk about, I'm not sure if you really want to change the setting. Let's get into it. So the setting you need to look at is ESC temperature protection. And that can be found in BLHeli32, BLHeli-S, or even BlueJ firmware as well. I'm also assuming AM32, but I haven't looked at that one. In the different configurators, it's pretty simple. It's temperature protection right here in BLHeli32, BLHeli-S, it's also temperature protection. And then anything that's like BlueJ firmware in the ESC configurator variant, that's going to be this drop down here. Now, as you can see on here, with any of these, you can disable it, which will remedy the issue. The question is, should you really be disabling it? I have disabled it on ESCs and the quad flies, but man, that just doesn't feel right with me. I'd love to hear any comments down below if you've had this issue and, disabled ESC temperature protection and been flying a lot hard and all that kind of good stuff, and it's been fine. I'd be very interested in knowing that. But that's essentially the setting. That's how you fix it. And then the big question is, do you want to fix it? Do you want to disable this thing? So we can read up a little bit more on what temperature protection is doing. As you can see right here, it's the ESC is measuring the temperature of the MCU. So it's the processor that's on the ESC, and it's limiting the motor output based on that. If it's over, at least in BLHeli32, if it's over 15 degrees higher than whatever the threshold you have set, it's going to limit the motor output to 25% throttle. And that's why you saw in that example, it was coming down or not even taking off, because my hover throttle was like 35% throttle, which is pretty normal. So anything limited to 25%, of course, is going to do a nice descent. That's it. Pretty sweet and simple. That's how you fix it. I don't know if I would necessarily jump to that right off the bat. Like I said, if you have disabled this in the past and had a lot of success with it, let us know down in the comments. I would be thinking, why is it reading such a high temperature? 140 degrees C is like 284 degrees Fahrenheit, which is really hot. So either there's a sensor error in the MCU on the ESC, which is maybe innocent enough, or if the processor on the ESC is getting that hot, it's probably not good. It's relating that with the FET heat, and it could just be overcurrent, trying to be pulled through your ESC. Your motors are drawing too much amperage. That's where my mind goes, at least on it. But again, let us know down in the comments if you've had success with it. I know you can disable it and it can fly and have some fairly decent flights, but I don't know the longevity of that. But hopefully with this video, you understand a little bit more of it. If you're having that problem, this helped you out. If it has, smash that like button. Thanks everybody, and I'll see you on the next one.